Hey everyone, can Verizon waive your restocking fee? In this video, we will explain the policy logic, eligibility conditions, and system triggers that determine when fees are removed and how to make it work for you. Verizon restocking fee waived. To have Verizon waive the restocking fee, return the device unopened and sealed, refuse delivery or return a defective device. Accessories are exempt from the fee. Always act within the return window and keep all documentation for a smooth process. What is the Verizon restocking fee? Verizon typically charges a $1.50 restocking fee plus taxes for the return or exchange of wireless devices within 30 days of purchase. Expect in Hawaii, accessories are not subject to a restocking fee. When can the restocking fee be waived? Unopened device returns. If the device box is unopened and the seal is intact, you can return the device within the return period and the restocking fee is usually waived. This is known as the sealed box waiver. The device must be in its original shrink wrap or have an untampered seal. Refuse delivery. If you refuse delivery of the package, do not accept it from the carrier, Verizon will receive the device back and no restocking fee will be charged. Defective devices. If you return or exchange a device due to it being defective on arrival and the replacement is out of stock, the restocking fee may be waived. Accessories. Verizon does not charge a restocking fee for returned accessories. Just ensure they are in like new conditions and returned with all additional packaging and recipients. Return within allowed period. Return within the allowed period, typically 30 days, but the sealed box waiver is best used within the first 14 days for the worry-free guarantee. Keep your receipt and all original packaging for a smooth return process. However, if you open the box, the restocking fee almost always applies unless the device is defective. Device or accessory is purchased in Hawaii. If a device or accessory is purchased in Hawaii, Verizon does not charge a restocking fee for return or exchange. What are the details required for return? Original packaging, shipping cartoon, and receipt. You must return the item with the original packaging, shipping cartoon, and the original receipt. Device must be in like new condition. The device or accessory being returned must be in like a new condition without any sign of use or damage. Only one exchange is permitted. Verizon only allow one exchange per purchase. If you need to return the item and get a replacement, it must be done within the 30-day return period. When can the restocking fee be waived? Returning after 30-day period. If you attempt to return the device or accessory after the 30-day return window, you will not be eligible for the restocking fee waiver. Opened or used device or accessories unless defective. Verizon will not waive the restocking fee if the device or accessory has been opened or used unless it is determined to be defective. Purchase from non-Verizon owned retail location. If the device or accessory was purchased from a non-Verizon owned retail location, the restocking fee waiver will not apply. Exceptions and special cases. If you purchase from a non-Verizon authorized retailer, their return and restocking fee policy may differ. Always check your receipt and their policy. If you received a promotional value like a trade-in credit, returning the device may result in a charge back of that promotional value. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.